Hi, this is Jay Turo, CEO of Growthink. At the beginning of this year, I shared insights about the mission critical importance of that precious, beautiful, and very attainable thing known as business strategic brilliance. I posted the link to it below, and I encourage you to give it a listen. In it, I tease the concept of how, in our pursuit of strategic brilliance, to best quantify and process risk and uncertainty. And more to the point, the fear and anxiety that arises as those really bad business outcomes that might occur move front and center into our consciousness. You see, as business leaders, as executives, as entrepreneurs, we're human beings. And since time primordial, emotionally conditioned and subconsciously programmed to do everything and anything to avoid uncertainty and those very bad outcomes, like getting mauled by a lion. Now, this has served us well in an evolutionary context, but this monkey brain, far more often than not, interferes with our business decision making and willingness to take on those risky, but also strategically brilliant courses of action. So the short-hand guidance here is very simple. Adjust our business decision making to compensate for this natural feeling that the consequence of bad outcomes are far worse than they actually are. It's going to be okay. And the ancient Romans were right. Fortune favors the bold. So starting right now, when it comes to business strategy, let's check those monkey brains at the door. And if you'd like to connect with an advisor of quality to help you assess the risk and probability of success of various courses of business action, reach out to us for a complimentary consultation via the link below.